Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can play Minecraft LAN with friends. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Minecraft game on your PC or laptop and access your world. Now, press the escape key and click on Open to LAN. Then, select Start LAN World and a code will appear on your screen. Simply remember this code, then go to your friend's PC that is connected to the same network and click on Multiplayer. Here, your hosted game will appear. Simply click on it and join it. If your friend cannot find it or is having problem using this method, simply go to the Direct Connection tab. Then, minimize Minecraft and open the command prompt on your PC. Now, type IPCONFIG and press enter. Now, copy your IP from here and paste it into the game. Then add a colon and type in the portal code that was displayed on your game screen at the start. And that's how you can play Minecraft LAN with friends. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.